We rise and reach the boundless world. 3Timex, a dream in motion. For our customers we keep moving on. Quality, a burning faith inside. Sustainability, the flame in our hearts. Together we build dreams and hopes. We join hands to win as one. 3Timex, call the name out loud. 3Timex, the trust we hold proud. From Vietnam, we step into the world with pride and dreams that never rest. 3Timex, for our dear customers. 3Timex, strong as burning steel. With Vietnam, we write the story of the future, brilliant and bold. On every shipment across the seas, our dreams and dedication deep. 3Timex, steady on the way. Through every storm, we never lose heart. We believe in the power of unity, collaboration, the path to victory. Each contract a promise we make.